Somnium space auction has changed their ending format. Coming up on the 13th, it's going to end. This is the time right here. Explore the map right here. All of the tokens are 1 through 5,000. The first 100 are going to end at the exact time, 7 days from the original start, which is right here. But the rest of the tokens will still be available for another hour, at which point the next 100 tokens from 101 to 200 will end. So every hour, 100 are going to end, and the rest of the parcels will continue to be bid on. And if there is a bidding war at the last second, which is actually on OpenSea the last 5 minutes, if somebody bids more than you in the last 5 minutes of the auction's extended for another 5 minutes. So you still have a little bit of time. It's not like it's a day or anything, so you have to be right there watching it in order to make sure that you're going to get it, or have the chance to at least bid a little bit higher, but they can't get you in the last second at least. So Somnium Space was planning on ending all of the parcels at exactly 7 days, which for me was noontime, Eastern Standard Time. So at noontime, all the parcels were going to end. And I know already that I have bid on this parcel 882 and somebody else had before. But what I wanted to show you was this parcel right here is an extra large waterfront parcel, and I have bid 1.45, which is the minimum amount of ether. This is wrapped ether that you can bid, but there's an exclamation point against my name because I only have 7.7 ether, and I have a total bids for 882 and 883 and 884 other parcels and other things. I have a total amount of bids out there of 45, so I can't win everything that I've bid on, so I have to select one of these things. What happens is OpenSea allows you to bid, if you have 1 ether, then you can bid 0.99 ether on 1,000 items if you want to, and it's actually unlimited. I just used 1,000 because it's a big number. But I can bid as much as I want as long as each bid is less than the amount that I have in my wallet at that time. This will notify you if I don't have enough ether at all. If my balance goes down to 0, then of course bid away. But if I have multiple bids out and all of these land parcels end at exactly the same time, then a algorithm has to compute which parcel to give me out of all of the parcels. That so there'd have to be some kind of order by token number, order by date I bid on it, or order by something. So they decided to change that, and the first 100 tokens will be sold on that time, right at the end of this auction, which is exactly 7 days from when it started on October 6th. On October 13th, for me at noontime, they will release the first 100 to the highest bidder. Again, if it can continue on, if somebody keeps trying to increase the bid in the last 5 minutes, it will continue on for an hour if it keeps getting outbid, and there's a bidding war. So it can last longer than that, but you'll see it all being outbid. But otherwise, after, for me, noontime, so 1 o'clock, there's going to be another 100, and at 2 o'clock, there's going to be another 100, and at 3 o'clock, there's going to be another 100. So this right here, you can see in the 800 category, is going to be 8 hours after the ending of the auction. So I have plenty of time. This auction, because of this, the auction was extended by 2 days. There's a total of, this is going to go out to 50 because it's 50 times. The first one, like I said, is going to end right here. And I put the military time here, 1,200 hours. On October 13th, 1,200 hours, they're going to have 100 parcels released. So if you go here, if you want to actually prepare for this auction, you can see that the token ID, if your special parcel that you have is token 2500, then take a look at these first tokens and see what they go for. There's waterfront parcels here, there's road parcels, there's parcels near the mountains, there's small, medium, and large. There's all different types so that you can see what they're going for, and then kind of react and see if maybe there's something different you want to do, and then react again because these ones are going now. And maybe you'll see a couple island parcels going from here to there. So if you take this and you click on this View Somnium Space, it'll take you to their map, and it will take you right to the parcel number. So if you find it on OpenSea, then you can easily click on that link and it will go straight to it. you wanted to get the one right next to it, this parcel number is 1352, so it'll be going off 13 hours, so you divide by 100, 13 hours after the end of this auction stated right here. So you know that you have 13 extra hours to take a look at this parcel. So you click on this one, 1352, and this one's going off, oh, luckily, only 1 hour before that. So if you want to get both of these parcels, you can spend your time on the computer right during that time, which I've put all in this Excel sheet here because I'm tracking certain parcels. What happens is you're going to have to be there during the 13th hour, be there during the 12th hour, and be there now during the 21st hour if you want to get all three of these and connect all three of them together and have a nice little estate.